Does an AC tune-up include cleaning the coils? A clean air conditioner depends on more than changing the filter. Your AC coils play a major role in cooling performance, and many homeowners wonder if they are cleaned during a professional AC tune-up. Yes, an AC tune-up typically includes cleaning the condenser and evaporator coils as part of routine maintenance. A technician also checks refrigerant levels, tightens electrical connections, inspects the thermostat, and tests overall system performance. Clean coils improve heat transfer, helping your air conditioner cool more effectively while reducing strain on major components. Regular maintenance also gives technicians the opportunity to inspect key parts, confirm the system is operating as expected, and identify developing concerns before they become larger problems. Keeping up with annual tune-ups helps support reliable performance throughout the cooling season and helps ensure your system is prepared for increased cooling demand when warmer weather arrives. For homeowners in Olympia, scheduling an AC tune-up before the cooling season helps prepare your HVAC system for warmer weather and dependable performance throughout the summer. If you are planning seasonal HVAC maintenance, Blues Heating and Air provides AC tune-up and air conditioner repair services to help keep your system operating properly.